Hello, I am Pushkal. I am building PaperPod. So everyday people consume knowledge through the documents, research papers, study notes, reports, article, meeting notes, or any textbook. But reading is often time consuming, screen intensive, and difficult to fit into a busy schedules. So at the same time, podcasts have become one of the most powerful natural ways in which the people can learn and consume the information. So like we believe documents should be as easy to consume as a podcast. So today knowledge is trapped inside a static documents, whether you are a student studying from notes, a researcher reading from a paper, or a professional reviewing report. Consuming large amount of information requires a dedicated reading time. So people already spend hours commuting, exercising, walking, or doing any course. Those moments could become a learning opportunity for them. So, but documents weren't designed for that particular purpose. But we have PaperPod for that specific purpose, which transforms documents into an interactive AI-powered podcast conversation. Users can come into the platform, upload any document in the form of a PDF, docs, text, or an image, or an article. Even they can paste any sort of an article with title, and they can upload through a camera any sort of an image that they wanted to get converted into a podcast and generate a natural multi speaker discussion and converts into a more engaging podcast experience instead of just listening to a robotic text to speech reading. Users hear an AI generated conversation that explains and discuss the material. So let's get into this. Let's upload any sort of a sample document and check how this works. It will generate a podcast immediately, and users can click over the transcript section and instantly jump to that particular section of the conversation where they wanted to go. So this is the podcast generated within few seconds.
Today, we're diving into machine learning for predicting house price.
To start, when we have data on house prices and their corresponding living areas, we can use that to learn and predict prices of other houses based on their size. This is called a regression. We have a training set, a learning
share it. There is a shareable link. You can share it with your friends, download audio, download a transcript. There is a document only mode where you can ask the real time questions related to this type of a document, like what is regression. These documents talk something about the linear regression. Let's get asked. And there is a doc plus web mode where it will get the context for the same question from the web as well. So that's why PaperPod includes this real-time AI question answer support to enable the users to ask question through the text or an audio mode. This is an audio mode while listening, and they can choose between any sort of the mode that best suits them. So our vision is to build the operating system for the audio first knowledge consumption. Like we believe the future of learning isn't reading documents line by line. It's like interacting with knowledge conversationally. Today, we are transforming documents into podcasts. Tomorrow, we are building an AI companion that helps people learn, understand, and retain information wherever they are.